following presentation is brought to you by Nissan.
In Deep Blue Sea, you will see some special visual effects that haven't been done ever before. In this movie, we use 3 different types of sharks: real sharks, mechanical animatronic sharks, and computer-generated sharks. To actually put the actors together with the sharks, we decided to build mechanical sharks. We were able to put hydraulics and computers inside these mechanical sharks and create monsters that are 25 feet long, weigh 8,000 pounds, have 1,000 horsepower engines, and have moving jaws, gills, eyes, fins, and its jaws can crush furniture like matchsticks. I was able to get very realistic reactions from the actors because in their minds they felt that they were in real danger. We spent millions developing these mechanical sharks. Obviously, Jaws is one of the greatest movies ever made. Deep Blue Sea is almost like Jaws for the next millennium. Our technology is so groundbreaking that we thought that it would be fun to share the magic with everybody.
Entertainment tonight, always there.